Well, COVID restrictions are over, so he's bought every friend he's got. And this is an EP3 in the house today for a tune. Well, with a severely binding rear caliper, it has made its way up onto the dyno. How are we doing now, Richard?
Friday.
So,
For the last job of the day.
that's all I'm getting out of you on a Friday, isn't it?
Yeah, last job of the day. Be nice. Get us out of the way. Maybe we can have some lunch then.
Oh, what we having?
Lunch almost at tea time, but it would be nice if we could have some lunch then.
What we having?
I don't know what we having. Maybe chocolate digestive. I think that's all there is in there.
I'll make you a cup of tea. How's about that?
Yeah, I'll have a cup of tea and a chocolate digestive. That'll be dinner, won't it?
Yeah. So, for the purposes of this video, the code word is... I'm actually going to say the code word is chocolate hobnobs, because that's what we want. But we'll make do with a chocolate digestive, won't we?
It sounds like you're being a bit ungrateful.
No. They also...
You did say the other day that any biscuit with chocolate on it, so then that's what you've got.
No, but what I'm trying to say here is, can I finish? If you let me finish, is they actually provided us with a packet of chocolate hobnobs. I had about 6 of them, and then they vanished. And for me, who's usually destroying the chocolate biscuits,
They vanished.
they actually vanished.
They didn't vanish. They got dipped in my cup of tea and I finished them.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that bit. Because normally I'm getting complained about for eating all the chocolate hobnobs.
Yeah, because you spend 8 hours a day in there eating biscuits.
Yeah,
and then when I want one with my cup of tea, there isn't any.
That's why I've got this body type. Right, let's do some work.
Sorry.
It's alright, we'll just wait for you, mate.
Oh yeah.
We'll wait for you. Right, so EP3 Civic in the house. Whilst it's got a seized rear caliper, Richard.
It has, yeah.
It's done remarkably well.
Yeah, it's alright. I think it's one of these. It's you sort of get some that have been a bit more used and abused, don't you? They're a bit loose.
A bit looser.
A bit looser. So I think it's maybe the case here. It's made some good power.
Loosey goosey.
Yeah, it's got some basicer mods on it. It's got it looks like the spoon rep 2 1/4 inch exhaust on it. Got a little bit of a blow from the mid, definitely somewhere going on. I think it's got 4-to-1 decat on it.
Yeah,
It's got a little induction kit. It's just an induction hose with a pipe across filter on the end of it. So no, the mods are not amazing, but yet this car's made good power.
It has.
But you know, EP3s generally respond better, as we've said many times before. Maybe it's exhaust design or what, I don't know, over the FN. But yeah, this car's leaving us with 235 brake today.
234. 234. Yes, it's done well.
I think I'm really happy with that. I think the customer will love it when he pops and bangs.
I'm sure he will. What he pops and bangs, and that's what he got.
So should we have a look at the graph?
Did I fall over?
You must have done.
I must have fell over.
Yeah, there's no way you've done any work and got that lucky.
Let's have a look at the graph.
Well, as I always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she's leaving. Look at that mid-range. We've actually made 60 brake horsepower, which is fantastic. The car's responded really, really well to Richard's little tickle today. So we're leaving on 234 brake. That's what I'm calling that. 204 at the wheels, which is impressive. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Code word chocolate hobnobs, and if you fancy sending us some, you can support us by all means. But yeah, Richard's on his knees. We're a liking, and we'll see him on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed. Ciao for now.